I have been on the hunt for the best overnight oat recipe. I have tried dozens and dozens, and I feel like I have finally found my favorite one. So this recipe I love, and I meal prep it on Sundays so I have enough for the weekdays. And it is great. I usually make it in a large mixing bowl, and then I divvy it out into mason jars afterwards. But today I'm going to be showing you just how to do a single serving. First step is going to be half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of unsweetened plain almond milk, 1 scoop of chia seeds or 3/4 a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of natural salted peanut butter, one tablespoon of sugar-free syrup. Sprinkle in some Jell-O instant pudding mix, even better if it's sugar-free. Add as many strawberries as your heart desires. I am using 4 sliced strawberries today. And last, I have half of a banana sliced, and you can also do a full banana if you'd like as well. And next we are going to just stir this up a bit, but I love this grab and go breakfast option. Super easy that you can meal prep it. And if you have a favorite overnight oats recipe, please send it to me. I would love to try it. And lastly, seal it up and pop it in the fridge. Enjoy!